train from Oxenholme Lake District, which is like the gateway to all the lakes. And it's quite sunny today. We were over ambitious. আমরা সবাই sweater, muffler, puff jacket সব কিছু পরে নিয়েছি. And it is so hot. So we have reached Windermere. It's a very cute little station over here. This is like a shuttle train. It comes from Oxenholme to Windermere and back to Oxenholme. And that's it. This is the station and we are already out. And that's the Stagecoach bus. Hopefully it should take us to Helm Road on Bowness. We have to go to Bowness and let's see how far it takes us. So we are here on the Stagecoach bus and I think we'll go up and sit. It's almost full. It's quite pleasant so we can sit out in the open. Alright. My sitting downstairs because she does not want too much sun, but I think it's quite pleasant. Baba is here. He's very excited. Here we are walking by Bowness on Windermere. And there is this really nice viewing place called the Claiffe Heights. We are going to go there, and there's a small ferry that takes us to the other side, and it's a bit hilly. That's why you get a really good view of the entire Windermere Lake. So that's where we are headed, and it looks really pretty. There are so many swans, ducks. Don't really know where to go, but we are going to see where this trail leads us. That's the pier on the side.
I heard you told him that she covered up until the end of time, yeah. Ain't that the same words?
That is so Bob Dylan-esque. Wow.
It always seems like this.
Hello. You have like really cute eateries over here, right by the lakeside. That one looks good, quayside. I think we might just come to one of these at night. Let me just find out from where I have to board the ferry, and let's see. So we have to go towards the ferry nab place, which is gonna take us about 10 minutes, and it's beautiful. It's right by the lake. almost reached the ferry point. It was quite a nice walk. It was fun. So apparently the ferry comes after every 20 minutes and it's open till 10 o'clock, which takes you to the other side, which is this. And from there is a viewing point called Claiffe viewing point. Almost nearing the ferry point. It better be this one because I'm fine, but this woman behind me is not fine. But let's go and find out. It looks like this is the place. All right, so it has finally come. This is the Windermere ferry and it's gonna take us to the other side. It's a pound to go and then come back. So here it is, and we have cars waiting in line to get on board as well. So we are here inside. I want to go to about here. Wow, it's beautiful. You can already see the pier on the other side. It's such a short 5-minute ferry ride. Super convenient. And yeah, I think Claiffe Heights is about a 5-minute trail from there. So we'll be going towards that side for a small hike. Alright then, so I think we have reached the other side. It's a beautiful hike, little small baby hike till the viewing station. It's quite pretty and pleasant, and it's very well laid out. There are markings everywhere. You get a beautiful view of the Windermere Lake from here. It's gorgeous. Wow. I think I'll go up. Gorgeous, it's beautiful. Super. So pretty, so pretty. Wow. All right. After this beautiful place, we are on our way back. So we'll be taking the ferry ride back to Bowness on Windermere. Hello guys, welcome to day 2 of Windermere. Today we are going on the Windermere Lake cruise ride, and from there we'll go to Ambleside. So cute little town, so pretty. Wow. Our cruise is at 9:50. and we are almost here near the pier. So we have taken our tickets and we'll be going on our first boat of the day, which starts at 9:50. This is our boat ride from Pier 1, which will go to Brockhole, Ray Castle and Ambleside, and it also takes a full round trip. So we won't be doing that. We'll be getting off at Ambleside. Here, 3 of us.
Thank you. Are you going straight to Ambleside?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's go up. We have started our cruise. We'll be going towards the right side. Mami needs to take আসছি, okay? The level of the lake, so it looks even more realistic, as if you're floating on the lake yourself. Alright, we have reached Ambleside. This is the Waterhead Pier, which is the gateway to Ambleside town. And from here, I think it's about a 15-minute walk to the main town of Ambleside. And from there, we'll roam about a bit and catch a bus to Grasmere, have our lunch in Grasmere, and then come back to Ambleside. We are going to Ambleside town. It is so pretty, out of a painting, and it's so quaint. So it looks so isolated, even though it's like peak summertime. There are not many people here. I think it's filled just with tourists. The local population is quite small, which makes it very pristine. Everything is very pristine because it almost looks untouched. If you have more days in Ambleside, you can just come here, have a small picnic by the lakeside in Ambleside, and just relax and unwind. It is so quiet. It's perfect for someone looking for a quick getaway from the hustle and bustle of city life. Time seems to have stopped in this town. We have reached the town center of Ambleside. We are heading now towards the apple pie restaurant, which in many of the blogs or TripAdvisor videos you will see that it's highly recommended and it's highly rated. So naturally we made our way towards the apple pie cafe, and it has a variety of bread and bakery items, and they all look super yummy. I got one sausage roll. Just look at it. So delicious. Hello. Have a nice day. We grabbed a quick bite from the apple pie bakery, and now we are heading towards our bus stand that will take us to Grasmere. The route is so scenic, and the weather is absolutely clear and so gorgeous today. It's beautiful. You can take the bus directly from Bowness as well. For those who don't want to get onto the Windermere Lake cruises, I think taking the bus would be your best option. We have already done the Windermere Lake cruise one way, but looking at the bus route, I think this is even more spectacular. And I think while going back, we won't be getting off at Ambleside, and we'll take the bus directly from Grasmere to Bowness. Wow, the views are absolutely spectacular. Beautiful. Alright, so we have reached the Dove's Cottage, which used to be the house of Wordsworth. This place takes you back in time. It is so deserted, yet so nostalgic. And it has been preserved beautifully. Alright, so this was his house. There's a museum right in the beginning which takes you around the entire village of Wordsworth, and it also sheds some light on his creative journey, and it also has some artifacts that have been collected from his room. But we thought of exploring this beautiful village on our own and just soak in the beauty and the time that he lived in. This entire walk around his village just transported us back in time. This is the famous daffodil garden that William Wordsworth had created in the memory of his late daughter, and it is so beautiful and so well preserved. One can spend just hours sitting here. It is situated right next to the Wordsworth graves. It's such a peaceful place. Now we are on our way to a very famous establishment in Grasmere, which is the home of the original gingerbread cookies. And now the line is short, but when I had come here initially, there was a huge line. So we have come here to buy some goodies and souvenirs. It smells delicious. We are just on time for our bus back to Bowness. We had such a beautiful outing today and spent the rest of the evening chilling beside the lake. So yeah, this was our 2-day trip around Windermere Lake. Hope you liked it.